Alright. Alright.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family.
Welcome back to the channel.
Hi guys, how are you doing?
Yeah man, Cass' birthday is this Heroes weekend, you know. Yeah, so brought her out and the kids to this fabulous location in Ochi. Alright, this is a townhouse complex, a fabulous Airbnb, you know, range of amenities.
She's basically a subscriber of our channel, and we saw him actually. He saw us and then he introduced himself, introduced his Airbnb, so we are here to check it out. Yeah, perfect timing, right?
Yeah man, perfect timing.
Yes. Yeah, so basically he saw us introduce himself, introduce his Airbnb. You know, we talk a lot about on our channel. So basically we are here, we love the inside, we love what he has done with the place.
Yeah man. And the outside is fabulous too.
Yes.
You know, nobody leaves that out, you know.
It is a nice community,
yeah.
Right? So we'll be here for a few days. The boys are already inside enjoying themselves. So let's see what they're up to.
Yeah man. Alright.
Oh, I hear Kyrie. Kyrie just opened the door. Yeah.
Alright, so this is what the outside is like. You have a nice little 2-car driveway out here. Yeah, what them call that thing here, babe?
Egg chair?
Egg chair, yeah, something like that.
I think, I don't know. I don't remember.
Yes.
But I do love this one. I love the one that is not attached to the roof. Because in my head, I just feel like say it up, but I don't know. But anyways.
It's nice, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, let's go inside and show them what's up.
And I need to show Kyrie what this does. Because I know that he doesn't know. Or else he would be on it. But let's go.
Yeah. Alright, so show them what go on. Show them what take place. Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, it's a beautiful living room. I mean, you guys are really outdoing yourself when it comes to designing and decorating.
Yeah, man.
I like it. I like
Proud of you, you know?
Yeah, I do. Great job.
Proper.
So this is what the boys have been obsessed with once they. This is the only thing that they've seen. I don't think them see anything else but this. The pool table, we see. They like.
Yeah.
And this right here. So they're in love with the gaming section right here. And it's a really good place for us, we think, to, you know, kind of capture Kyrie's energy.
Yeah.
Capture some of Kyrie's energy.
Yeah, close the door for me, Jay. Close the door for me. Yeah, man. Place is nice, you know. So you have your little mini basketball section right here, so plenty of games, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Games.
Alright, so when you first came in, Cass, what really strike you? What struck you?
When I first came in,
Yeah.
you like that?
Oh, I'm trying to turn it on. Alright, let me turn it on for you.
We're going to have karaoke night tonight.
Right. James, turn this on, you know. I power button this. Oh, see there. Come, Kyrie.
Come, Kyrie.
Come, Kyrie.
Kyrie. Kyrie.
There you go. You're welcome.
No, anyone.
Yeah.
I don't need the body. I don't need you.
Sing a song. Sing a song for us.
Sing ABC. Sing Now I know. Alright! Yeah!
Come on, everyone. So this is definitely
A vibes place.
so a lot of activities here. A lot of activities here, right? Yeah. So basically, when I came in, the living room section caught my eye. Because, you know, yes, I really like that section.
Yeah.
And then immediately, what caught my eye after that was the boys running to this section.
Yeah.
Which is the gaming section.
Yeah, man.
You want me to
So,
help you?
we love the claddings on the wall.
Yes,
It's beautiful.
nice.
You know, and this entertainment section here, you know, it's beautiful, you know? It's beautiful. Ooh, look at this. Wow.
The coats feel nice.
Yeah.
Love the fabric. But let's go upstairs. I love these too.
The ceiling. We never talk about the ceiling.
The lights. Lights are very nice. It's unique. It's something different. And I came in and I was like, You know? Definitely caught my attention, the lights. And the LED lights over there. Definitely.
Yeah. About the drop ceiling right here. You know, get a little vibe, you know? Yep, get a nice little vibe.
Definitely. And then we have downstairs.
Upstairs.
Upstairs. What caught my eye was a different color tiles right here. I like it. I like the contrast that is being created with this different.
Oh, you mean
tiles.
here, down on the landing versus on the steps?
Versus on the steps.
Okay.
These are dark brown tiles. I do like it. I like the fact. I like it. I like the uniqueness of it.
Guys, we want to see the main bedroom. I can't go show the main bedroom right now. But before that, just get a quick peek of the other bedrooms. Alright. So there are 3 bedrooms in here actually. 3 beds.
3 beds, 2
Two
baths.
and a half. 2 and a half.
2 and a half.
2 and a half.
There's a half bath downstairs.
Yes. Yeah, so this is one. Oh! Alright.
So this is one of the bedrooms, and I like the sizes. The bedrooms are not small either. Bedrooms are good size because you know they have this bed and they have a chair, definitely closet.
Yep.
Then this is the second bedroom.
Yes. So you have 2 twin beds in here. A twin bed this or two? Or single?
Yes, these are I think so 2 twin beds. 2 twin beds. And you can see the size of this room as well. With the 2 twin beds. I love the design of the rooms, definitely. Carry
Yeah.
What is that? What did you find? It's a okay. Because it has the two
two eyes.
It's too big. You see, these are 2 big eyes. Posters. Yes, O's. And then we have the shared bath right here. We let in some lights.
Yep.
And this is the shared bath with the tub.
So we got a vanity here as well.
Yes. So we also have the natural color vanity and cupboards running through, and even the natural color, the dark natural color wood running all throughout.
You know, of course, you have plenty of storage space, plenty of closets. You know.
Then this is the primary bedroom.
Here we go. Here we
This is where the
go.
magics happen. Yes, and this is the primary bedroom. I love several things. I love the cladding right there, but it's the least of what I like. I love this, and I've been trying to get Adrian invested in something like this for a good while. So it's happy. I'm very happy to see it in somewhere where we can show him say, yes, baby, see it, look. Because I've been trying to get him on
fireplace,
this. Yes, I've been trying to get him onto the fake fireplace idea for a while now, but yes, I love the fake fireplace. I love this that was created. I don't know if all the units come with this or if our
they put it
host put it in, but this is a good touch. I love it.
Yep.
I really love it.
Yep.
And it complements the cladding over there. And I love this little nook right here. I love this.
So if you have one small child, you can probably have them sleep over here, you know?
Yeah.
Or sit, or it could be a sitting area as well.
It's like a nice little sitting, relaxing, chilling, vibing area. And the room is still big enough for you to have your king size bed and still have
more
another
seating
seat here. So I love the way the place is designed.
Yes, it's great.
Yes, I really love the work that they did. Y'all did a good job, okay?
Yeah,
You guys did a good job. Then you have the closet space right here.
Hold on there.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Adrian. So we have the closet right here. So the closet goes right around on this side and carries through on this side. So even though it is not a walk-in closet, you have all this space. So there's a lot of space.
Yeah.
You know, and this leads to the bathroom. Yes.
That's right. You know everything, don't you? You know everything, don't you? Know everything, don't you? Yeah.
You love the excitement to see.
Yeah, I tell you, love it, man. Take it out, Carrie.
Alright, come baby.
Alright, so this shower here, it's a nice glass door enclosure.
Yes.
You know, nice, you know? Yes.
So we just come, but it looks to be a very good
Welcoming
visit.
place.
A welcoming visit. So we're looking to capitalize on all the games for sure. May I try if we see if we can work out Kyrie in games?
Oh, wait, can't come.
Thank you.
Oh. Yeah, one other thing, guys. I left out. They have a little chill area outside here. So an area out here, a little balcony area that you can come. If you don't want to smoke, you can come out here and smoke. I just want to chill and just enjoy some fresh air. You can do that too. You know? Yeah, so it's great, you know? We love it.
And it's in Ochi.
Ochi, yes.
It's in Ochi. It's very close. So you can go to all of the stores, all the venues, the beaches, everything that you want because it's very close by.
Yeah.
We'll be right up upstairs. Let us go and play games downstairs. Okay?
Hold on, babe. You missed the robe.
Ah, I did.
Down. See them there? Full up there, right, so?
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, child.
Well, I'll figure that out, for sure. Can I say clean a little bit, you know? You know? Guys, I'm having them lunch. Why if you cook up and enjoy yourself?
Thin crust was and always will be very popular in Chicago, even though it's something that's not talked about that much.
Actually, out in Ochi town now. We just run come our nearby small market. You know, the apartment is probably like 5 minutes away from the town center Ochi, which is quite convenient. So it's a rainy day today, so I left the rest of the gang back home, you know.
Because how much I think for that?
So I actually end up a supermarket where them called Champion. The person from Ochi would have known the place, yeah. So you look at China place on the stop while ago, they never have no produce. So here I am now. Kinda spice up the burger, you know. I grab one of this. And one tomato and one lettuce as well. You know. Or some lettuce here. So nice.
You guys gonna play another match?
Yeah.
Ready, go.
Set, go. Ready.
Okay.
Sorry.
Right, so
Every feeling, you know, look at them right side of it.
Who win?
It's tight, 12 ball. Yeah.
Come on, JJ. Team 12. Come on, Adrian. And team 21. Come on, guys.
Mama, score's not counting.
Whoa, come on.
I get
Adrian, now win. Adrian, now win.
you know when
Hold on there, the score stop.
Adrian,
Yeah, the score stop going for
The
sure.
score stop, man.
Yeah, the score.
Oh,
Oh, carry
very
party.
pause the game. Right there, right.
this is a keep winning.
The shot.
Is it down? Is it down?
36. 36.
36-21.
I'm beating.
I don't know what's party there. But we comedy because I see pan and tip out. I don't know what's party there. Yeah, so this is my brother guy, my brother Paul. You guys have met him a lot of times. Well, Kyrie. This is my nephew Zevon.
Stop.
Paul, first son, you know?
Throw this one.
I was just telling Paul that he need to do something better. He has 3 kids and they're all boys. So I tell him to need to do something. Because this can't happen. Like this is a house full of man. You see me still appear man there. Where the woman in there?
They probably have to comment and tell you how to make the girl baby. Because when you're the show,
True.
that's the formula.
True.
You know what the formula is still, you know.
If you don't know how to make girl baby,
yeah,
make you
they will
know.
comment and tell you how to make that one day.
Because
sure.
them 2 man here need to know how to make girl baby. Appear boy them know to make.
Come.
Let us know guys, so let us know. So we're just here chilling, still here chilling about the little feisty one that we have to deal with. And this guy who is obsessed with playing games and eating food.
Like your brother still.
You like it? So go on with yourself, man.
Once again?
Yeah.
Another match? Another round?
So I'm just trying to keep up with these guys, honestly.
You don't beat me yet.
But I am tired, so on my job tonight, I will be having a good night's sleep. I'll be having a real good night's sleep.
I know.
They're on it. I'm passing through the game room. See what I'm I just need a moment to calm down. See me, I watch my little entertainment right here. Cooking. Love it. All things food, all things cooking. I love it. So I'm gonna try and relax and watch my show and try and ignore as much as possible the noise coming from that section.
Alrighty, so we are now at White River Ocho Rios, you know. Brincast come down for some rafting. First time me too, coming down this side. And we met this gentleman here. He's a local. Very, very familiar with the area and things. So if ever you guys come down this side, you can look for him. Unfortunately, I don't remember his name, but a good gentleman. So, yeah, man, just make him help him out and give him a good tip, and tell him, say, yeah, the Delaprat family, Yeah.
Yeah, man. He introduced the place, give us a tour down to the rafting area, down to the beach and the river area where we can swim. Actually, Paul, which is the gentleman you saw in the clips before, that's my brother. So we link him up, where he's good at this time in the day, because he's in a rush.
Of course, guys. Today is Cassie's birthday, guys. Wish her a happy birthday. You see me, I say? So, I'm going to bring her out for kind of make she enjoy her day a little bit. So, yeah, Cassie's 21-year-old today. You see me, I say?
You got the jokes, but then you know what? You're as young as you feel, okay? Take care of yourself, take care of your body. Yes, so anyways, we are walking through, we're going to be walking through a little shop area, and then we're going to be touring the riverbanks. Now, Kyrie is seemingly asleep now, but wait till him see the boat them.
Yeah, him get excited. Just stay tuned for that, guys.
Boy, guys, I was initially nervous when I see the raft and I said, Lord, I don't know about this. I don't like shaky boat. I don't like no from sketchy water play. I don't like that. It needs to be safe for me, But then when you went on it, trust me, like not a rocky, no rockiness. It was smooth, relaxing. I really enjoyed it.
Yep. Actually, this is the river right here, and this is the sea. So the river actually means the sea right at this location, So we're after this is the journey them take, It's a birthday girl here. And Kyrie, of course.
Kyrie shocked me.
What did he say?
Kyrie said he really wants to go in the boat.
Open it. Come again?
He really wants to go in the boat.
Kyrie said he really wants to go in the boat?
That's shocking.
He said, I really want to go in the boat. That's what he said?
Yeah.
Kyrie, you want to go on the boat?
What was it?
So you feel? 21-year-old? Yeah.
Oh boy.
1 more year, though.
1 more year. Thank God, right?
Yeah.
I really like right here though.
Yeah,
it's in between two hotels.
Yeah.
So we have the river and then we have the sea. The sea water kind of dirty over this side.
Where?
But
Where?
like right here, so. Come on, after there, so.
Oh. And that's based on how the tide circle the thing them.
Yeah. But over here looks so nice. I want to go in this water.
So you say you want to try rafting?
I guess.
What do you think? Alright, so I will try that, Kyrie! Alright, let's go do some rafting. Come.
Yes, we did it.
You ready, Kai?
Okay, Captain Wilson, okay?
Alright.
Let's go. When Kyrie said let's go,
One thing that
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
That is a limestone good for mosquito bite, liver spot, giant pain, stretch mark, sunburn.
yeah.
Baba, on the
Limestone,
Yeah.
My foot is swollen.
Yes.
He said come and do this.
So when we're taking picture, we don't say cheese, we say chicken and chips.
Wow.
can connect Bluetooth.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I tell you.
Yeah. We're out rafting, guys. First time. We'll tell you how we liked it.
I see.
Yeah, so can you connect this thing here to the speaker, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rafting and rafting, you know?
I put on some boom tunes, broke out cat's phone.
What? My phone is allergic to such things.
Here we go. See that?
Yeah, only fans. Me want be your only fan. To alone the fan. Do my run over that weed, but you know me from. Me could go on, me only fan. Come kick it with me beers, me know sit down. Me a the king up and the tune the man. Be me queen friends, one is
like
round.
it,
No
Terry?
shake, love my stone. We stand outgrow the sun here right now. I wrote the sun.
That is like the first bridge that was here instead of this one. So this new big one replaced that small bridge
Yeah,
out
man,
there.
two body, you know. Over there bring you over St. Mary, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
then the boy bridge bring you over St. Mary.
Yeah.
Oh, so,
In between two parishes, St. Anne and St. Mary.
Right, right.
okay. So we're in between two parishes. We're after the same. St. Anne to the right and St. Mary to the left.
And the name of the river is White River, you know.
Right,
Okay, you can come along now. Look at the camera.
Turn around, Kyrie, turn around, turn around.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you see Daddy? Yeah. You like looking in the water? Hmm?
One team.
Water? Yeah? Yeah.
I see them.
Yeah, you see them?
Look. Okay.
Yeah, only fans. Me want be your only fan tonight. Let's have the lonely fan. Only like you for me and only like your lonely fan. Do not run over that weed where you know me from. Me could go on, me only fan.
So down there's the beach, you know. Yeah.
Yeah. Ready now?
Enter, you ready, man? You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, the song is what the slang we roam this land.
He loves the fact that the water doesn't move that aggressively. You're gonna like wave. Alright, there's one rule for playing beside mommy. You can't splash mommy and no sand to get on mommy.
I wanna come over.
Alright peeps, so we just got back from the river. As you may say, we had a good time, you know.
We did.
We got a good couple of hours in and then the things started get overcast, so we left. And a whole heap of rainfall since then, you know.
True.
It's been a rainy couple of days since we've been this side, as you may say, but we still getting some fun. So we're back at the apartment now. So we're gonna go inside right now.
Guys, thank you, babe.
You're surprised?
I am. You know, actually, when you said let's carry this stuff inside and then come off a carry, I was like, come off a carry, why do I have that much stuff? Or in my mind. But then I see you come out of the car with the camera in your hand, and I said, but you don't have nothing in your hand, like say a turtle load going to the house. I said, alright, let's just put down the food, come out the food in my hand. When we walk in, I saw the surprise. I was like, okay, I didn't expect it because we're the only ones here. So I was like, any surprise that's going to happen, it's going to happen, you know? Like outside, like carry somewhere or whatnot.
Okay.
But yeah, I like it. I like it.
Glad you do.
Thanks for the thought, babe.
I'm glad you do. Yeah,
Thanks
man.
for the consideration.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for the effort.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, man, so one more birthday again. You know?
How much birthdays have we gone through as a couple though?
Couple well. So, you just asked me a while ago though, how we put it together, how we pull it off. So basically, I just talk to the host. So the host kind of helped me, along with the housekeeper. So the two of them
work together.
Yeah, sort it out and thing. You know, she's local, so she went and got the decorations and so on, and yeah, man. So,
I like it.
Of course.
Thank you.
Yeah. You bring them here with me, so you never did notice them in the car?
No, I didn't, because I was just pulling the stuff from the top. And then you took most of the stuff out of the car. I just took out the ones that were...
You know, so me see, alright, so we have these packways underneath a sheet of foam from the bicycle. The bicycle foam there, me did have it, so me just put it on top. So, me have it in the car, and me see you go around there now, we're unpacking now. And me don't know, look like, me don't know how you not see it. Because when you unpack the stuff them, me see like, you kind of shift the foam, but it look like you never really notice it.
I just picked up like 3 stuff that was on top. But I can't wait to open it, but I'm really hungry, so I can eat first.
Alright.
And then I'm going to open this, and then more put it in the bag. They come like how that look.
Yeah.
That's for makeup. It's like a makeup bag.
Yeah, but...
Beauty bag, cosmetic pouch, toiletry bag.
You know, I love them stuff there, you know, so...
And you know, I do like it, you know, it's true. It's true.
Yeah.
It's true.
But it's true, you know, when this yet, you're not so fascinated by this.
No, I am. I want to open this.
Alright.
I want to open that one.
Alright, food time. So we got a little bit of KFC here.
Yes.
You know?
We're hungry.
Yeah.
And after going to that river, we need to replenish our energy for later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What? It's a balloon.
Yeah, it's a balloon.
Kyrie,
What's
you
the
gonna tell
balloon
mommy happy
saying?
birthday? You gonna tell mommy? Kyrie finally waking up, guys. He's been sleeping all afternoon.
Yeah.
So tell mommy happy birthday. Say happy birthday, mommy.
Happy birthday, mommy.
Thank you. Can I get a kiss? Yeah. Thank you. Oh, thank you very much. Harry gave these balloons. That means a lot to carry, okay? Uh-oh. You're just sharing? Wow, all this balloon. What are you gonna do with it? You're gonna play with them all?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What color are those?
Yellow.
Yes? And what and what?
What are the other colors?
And red.
Yes.
Yes. What color is this one?
Pink.
Good. What color is this?
Black.
Black.
Black, yes.
Good job, baby.
Morning after, you know. Yeah, we're actually gonna be leaving today. You know, we just take a little walk through the community. You know the thing, go. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Yes.
Mommy. Let's go.
Let's go.
On the people.
Okay, baby.
Let's go, boss ready.
Up there, baby.
Boss ready.
It's a really nice complex. You know, nice townhouse complex. Why, back when the development was built, these people, them get to, you know, here say this was sold for like about 30 million Jamaican there about.
I'll get you your own mansion.
You know, right now, based on the exchange rate and everything, development, if you get one of these resold, you probably spend 50 odd million, you know. Yeah, it's really nice still. Yeah, I have the pool area just over here. Yeah, right over here, the pool area there. Yep. And the clubhouse, I have the clubhouse right here as well. Yeah. Place are well kept, you know. And for them people maintain land, it's so easy because Ochi is a place to get rain. How often do you get rain back that side? Every day?
No, sir.
At least once a week.
Yeah, you get the once a week, once every 2 weeks, depending.
Okay.
You know, some season you get it every other day, some of the time.
Yeah.
Yeah. You might find a rain for Senance Bay and then in exchange no rain. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Cool.
But rain out for somewhere still.
So this is the common area. Cool. Cool area this. It's small.
You want to go in the water?
Alright, let's go.
If y'all know Kyrie and have watched a couple of our videos, then you have known that Kyrie had a bit of a water scare sometime last year.
Yeah.
In one of our videos, and from that he has been against water, but this year has been a turnaround.
Yeah, man, come on now. Alright, let's
You
go.
want to go in the water?
Let's go. Let's go. And the water nice, you know.
You know, we're not going to want to stop on deep on deep anyway.
We carry around here. You can play on this. You play right here.
It would be good if that area had like a little border.
Alright, you have all this can come in at you know. Stand in it. Yes. Alright, come now.
Yeah?
No, hold on to it. It's okay, Kyrie. Yeah, just relax. Yeah. Alright. You like it?
I like it.
Yeah.
No, I
So tell mommy you like it.
Mommy, I like it, Mommy. I like it.
Yeah.
Like it, but still I hold on to it, but it's like going now.
You won't fall, Kyrie. It's okay. Listen up. This
Just
hold
keep
you up.
him Adrian,
This
just keep
will
him
hold
until
you
him
up.
start.
That's it. Go again. Paddle again.
Good job.
Hold on to the tube, Kyrie.
Paddle, baby, paddle. Paddle. Like, carry him out somewhere.
Turn, come. Paddle again. Paddle. Kick it.
Kick.
Paddle.
Paddle.
There you go.
Paddle. Good job.
Open the door.
Paddle, Kyrie, paddle. Paddle, baby, paddle. Paddle, baby, paddle. Good job. Swing your hands now, Kyrie. Swing your hands.
Hold it. Yeah. Me now. Kick now. Kick. Yeah.
Good job. Good job.
Let them now. Let me in the water.
No, mommy not
realize
gonna
me now.
come.
You probably never realize. Yeah.
Wow.
You get like it.
Wow.
Don't worry about me,
Yes.
Kyrie.
See?
Kyrie, you don't have to grab at me. Just swim. You don't have to worry. Don't worry about daddy. You swim. Just swim.
Yes. Paddle to daddy. Paddle to daddy.
Yeah, free man, freak out. Now him realize I'm not hold him now.
One thing about him doing now. Good job, Kyrie. Good job, Kyrie.
Paddle up and come. Come to mommy. Paddle.
Good job.
Yes.
Good job, baby. Good job.
Say what to Mommy?
Yeah?
Man, I don't even know, man.
Alright, Kyrie, can you say goodbye to the guys? Say bye-bye, D
Look at
Squad.
the camera and tell them bye-bye.
Bye, D Squad.
Bye, people.
Yes.
See you next time.
This time.
Hey guys, we're signing out from right here, no? Yeah, man. So, Cassie, enjoy your birthday.
I did.
Yeah, man.
I did.
Glad to know that, you know. Yeah, so, as again, I say, guys, link to this Airbnb in the description. You know, if you want come and enjoy Ochi Rios through the lens here, you can do that. You know, booking link in the description box. Alright? Yeah man, so just let them know say the Del Price family send on you. You see me? Yeah,
Yes.
man, send them a message and let them know what's up.
Guys, remember to subscribe if you haven't already to the Del Price family channel. You know we're giving you good content over here. Right? Turn on your post notification bell, put the setting on all.
Come on, Graham.
Big thumbs up.
Mommy.
Come mommy. Bye guys.
Oh.